In this tutorial, I am going to discuss few problems, numerical problems on energy consumption. The first problem. An electrical bulb rated 100 watt 220 volt runs for 100 hours. How much electrical energy is consumed? Express the result in kilowatt hour unit. Numerical problem number 2. A current of 3 ampere flows through a 12 volt car headlight bulb for 15 minutes. How much energy transfer occurs during this time? Express the result in commercial unit of electrical energy. Question number 3. Calculate the energy transferred by a 5 ampere current flowing through a resistor of 4 ohms for 1 hour. Express your result in kilowatt hour. Okay, let us start solving with question number 1. The electrical bulb is rated at 100 watt and 220 volt. So this is important, and the time is 100 hours. So we have to calculate the energy consumed. Now formula for energy is E equal to P into T, and we have to find out the value of E. Now value of P is given, which is 100 watt, which is 100 by 1000, that is 0.1 kilowatt. Time is given as 100 hours. So 100 hours is fine because we have to express in kilowatt hour, and time is already given in hour. Therefore the energy consumed will be 0.1, which is in kilowatt hour, kWh, multiplied by time, which is in hour. So that comes to 10 kilowatt hour. So this will be the amount of energy that will be consumed by this electric bulb when it glows for 100 hours. Let us look into the problem number 2. A current of 3 ampere flows through a 12 volt car headlight bulb for 15 minutes. How much energy transfer occurs during this time? Express the result in commercial unit of electrical energy, that means kilowatt hour. Okay. Here the problem is slightly different because they have not given us the power. The power is not given. That means the rate of consumption of energy is not given. But they have given us other parameters from which we can get the value of P. So the formula for electrical energy is E equal to P into T. But value of P is not given. That means we do not have the value of P here. Unlike the earlier problem where the power was mentioned, here it is not given. But we have the potential difference, which is 12 volt, and we have the time. Therefore we can get the value of P by multiplying V with I, because we know the formula P equal to V multiplied by I. We have seen that before. Therefore value of V is 12 volt. Therefore P equal to 12 12 multiplied by current flow, which is 3 ampere. So that means we have the electrical power, that is 36 watt. See, when we have the potential difference and when we have the current flow, still we can get the power, because there are multiple formulas for calculating the power consumption, electrical power. So now we got power as 36 watts, which is equal to 0.036 kilowatt, and time is also given, which is 15 minutes, which is equal to 15 by 60 hours, which is equal to 0.25 hours, because 15 by 60 means 15 minutes means 1 by 4 hour, 1 by 4 hour means 0.25 hour, 0.25. So now we have the power consumption in kilowatt and time in hour. Now we can easily calculate the energy in kilowatt hour from the formula E equal to P multiplied by T. P equal to 0.036 kilowatt, T equal to 0.25 hour. Therefore E equal to P multiplied by T, which is 0.036 multiplied by 0.25. Let us calculate this with the help of a calculator, and the result is coming as 0.036 multiplied by 0.25, which is equal to 0.009, I guess, 9 kilowatt hour. So that is the energy consumption that is actually, kilowatt hour is commercial unit of electrical energy. So electrical energy consumed is 0.009 kilowatt hour, because commercial unit of electric energy is kilowatt hour.